car is really quiet. It's running right now. Really clean for the year. Very impressed. Okay, let's go on a quick test drive. We have 74,646 miles on the odometer. Amazing turning radius. Typical creaks, nothing out of the ordinary though. It is shifting really, really smooth. The steering wheel is crooked. So far the alignment feels good though, just the wheel itself is crooked. The brakes feel good. So the car shifts really nice, very, very smooth. It is kind of gutless. That's kind of getting on it there. And it's just very, very slow, but smooth. No other complaints with the drivability other than that steering wheel being off center. Everything else is tip top, really nice. Rest of that looks good. That's nice and clear. A couple flaws here and there. Overall looks good. See some separation in here and some stitching is missing. Not bad. That top is actually really, really nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So this is a power convertible top with a manual release. So you manually release it, press it up, and then the power does the rest. I could not get it to do that, could just be user error. So I have not been able to get that top to fully go down. Actually, once you manually twist it off, I can't get it to push up. So like I said, could be user error, but I won't show that in the video working because I could not get it to. Here on that fender, you have a gash right there, little chip there, little flaws, but otherwise in great condition. Michelin cross climate 2s. Here on the side mirror, typical rock impacts over the years, some fading on the paint there. That looks good. Got some light scratches, little scuffs. Got a touch-up spot there. Another touch-up spot, little scuffs. All really subtle stuff though. Little rash, little scuffs. As a whole though, that side looks really nice. Got a larger touch-up spot there. Little rock impacts. Really minor stuff. Clarity on that light looks good. Here on the front bumper, typical wear. You get up close, you're gonna see some markings. Touch-up spots. You have a crack there. A little touch-up there. Light markings. A little bit of rash. For the most part, though, it's looking really good. Got the orange peel look here. There's some kind of gashes there, little chips, a little bit of fading in the paint on the edges, like on that trim. Got the rash here. Date code on that tire, 2023. Let's see the fading here, the age on that. Little chip. Looking at the lights though here. Looking pretty good. If you get super close, you're gonna see kind of some spider cracking, a little bit of age in there. For the most part, it looks good. For the most part though, it looks good. Little scuffs here. All right, checking out the interior, absolutely gorgeous, non-smoker. Looking at the buttons and all of that trim, they're in great condition. Carpet looks amazing. That trim looks awesome. Now these seats have been recovered here on the bottom side at least. The tops here are original and you're gonna see the cracking and the age and the wear. But the bottoms here look really good. You're gonna see a lot of wear on the steering wheel. Middle looks good though. Checking out the gauges, that looks nice. Those vents are clean. Kind of scanning the upper side of that dash. From what I can tell, it looks good. And looking at all these buttons, they look amazing. A little bit of wear on the shifter itself. The rest of this looks awesome. Really, really clean. That door panel. Very light scuffs here and there, but for the most part, that looks really, really nice. That trim is clean. Here on the seats, you do have some indentions here. That was something sitting on it, so you're gonna see that. I imagine over time that will go away, but the rest of that seat looks good here. Now on the headrest, you're gonna see some shinier spots, a little bit of fading. Carpets look good though, glove box. I mean, all of that is in great condition. Very impressive how clean this interior is. It looks really, really good. Okay, looking back here, this is the original seats, I bet, just by the look of them. You're gonna see some fading, typical flaws, indentions. But even then, it still looks really good. Here in the trunk, that carpet looks amazing. It smells really good back here. All of that is in great condition. All right, looking at the engine bay. Just gonna scan through this. It's in great condition. The underhood liner looks really nice.